original building was a 1914 construction, so of course all the materials and the methods of constructability, which involves the renovation to the existing and then a new addition and a huge seismic upgrade. We're in the Roper gym and we have 2 shear walls going up inside the gym here. So we're at shear wall number 8 now, and the footing has been poured. We're on to the next stage of starting the shear walls going up. And some innovation that was used here with respect to pushing the schedule ahead and helping out the cost and the actual constructability of how we get in here and actually pour these walls is we've gone from the concept of a conventional forming system where we would have a form formed up on the outside and they would have to pour from the next floor down in order to get the concrete in there. And what's been approved is to shotcrete these walls. So they'll come in with a pump and they'll hold on to a nozzle and they'll shotcrete the concrete onto the wall, getting in behind all the rebar and then finishing it, and it sets up as you go. So they'll be able to do the whole wall in that respect, and they're going to do that in a number of areas throughout the project. Some of the new features I think that I've seen in the design that are really good is the observatory. There's going to be an outdoor classroom garden area. It's an indigenous garden and observatory, so it's going to be an outdoor space that is used. So that's a great feature. This excavation, it's a huge excavation, huge footing that's going to go in here. And so we have some underpinning that's going to be, like 2.5 meters high underneath all these existing walls of the existing school. So again, another technical challenge. Be the east side stairwell. So it acts as a stairwell and as a seismic restraint for the building. But we had to underpin this whole wall under the existing footing. So we had to do it in stages. You see this numbers on the wall there, 1, 2, 3. So you would pour 1 and then 3 and then 5. So we're wanting to replace the broken pieces of terracotta. So we're trying to replicate the exterior look of the terracotta and patch in these pieces. So you can see we took 5 different areas and then we put in this one here is a new replication of the existing. So Jim was talking about on the second floor trying to restore the second floor to as original as possible. So all the corridors have this flooring called rakeless flooring. It was an old concept similar to a cementitious type of floor. And like all the floors in the old building, they all got covered over, but we're doing a test patch here to see if it's going to be viable to restore the original floor on the second and hopefully the third and fourth corridor floors.